I'm Milagros, and today I'm going to show you a simple recipe for start: chicken breast and mashed potato. You will need chicken breast, ham, yellow cheese, quesillo, currants, almonds, butter, salt and pepper, and foil. Put the chicken on the foil and salt and pepper. Put on ham, yellow cheese, quesillo, currants, almonds, butter. The chicken breast in a steamer 20 minutes on low heat. For mashed potatoes, you will need potatoes, milk, cream, butter, salt and pepper. And boil the potatoes 10 minutes. In the pan, put milk, butter, cream, and salt and pepper. The result is this after 10 minutes on low heat. Mash the potatoes with milk. This is the result. For the sauce, you will need pineapple, chipotle, pineapple juice, jam, pepper and salt. Blend all the ingredients: pineapple, chipotle, pineapple juice, pepper and salt, and jam. Put the sauce in a pan and simmer the 20 minutes. You can serve the with vegetable and sauce. Today's dish contains carbohydrate, protein, and fiber. And thank you for watching the video.